Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Masayu Rifda from Office Administration Education Department B, 2017 State University of Jakarta. In this video, I will explain to you about my internship program at PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero di AOP 1 Jakarta. I want to explain to you information about my company. First, PT di AOP 1 Jakarta. Address is Jalan Pegangsaan Timur, number 6 Pegangsaan, Menteng Sentral, Jakarta. And the second, telephone number of my company is 02139246676. The facsimile of my company is 02139246679. And the third website of my company is www.keretastripapi.co.id. The history of PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero di AOP 1 Jakarta. And the first, the story of railways in Indonesia began when the first groundbreaking of the Semarang until Folkestone London, Solo until Yogyakarta Railroad in Kemijen Village by the governor of the Dutch East Indies L.A.J. Baron Sluit van de Bijl on June 17, 1864. The Dutch East Indies government built a state railway line through the Staatspoorwegen on 8 April 1875. Apart from Java, railroad development was carried out in Aceh, North Sumatra, West Sumatra, South Sumatra, and Sulawesi. The length of railroads and trams in Indonesia reaches 7,464 kilometers, with details of government-owned rail along 4,089 kilometers and private along 3,375 kilometers. And then PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero di AOP 1 Jakarta have a vision and mission. The vision is to be the best railroad service provider that focuses on customer service and meets the expectation of stakeholders. And the vision, running the railroad business and its supporting business, organizing the railroad business and its supporting business through business practice, and the best organizational models to provide high added value for stakeholders and environmental sustainability based on 4 main pillars, such as the first, safety, the second, timelines, the third, service, and the fourth, convenience. And then 5 main value of PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero, such as integrity, professional, safety, innovation, and the last, excellent service. Slogan and culture PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero is "You are our priority." This is organizational structure in Human Resource and General Division at PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero di AOP 1 Jakarta. Organizational structure in PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero di AOP 1 Jakarta. In Senior Manager Human Resource and General Division has 4 manager, such as Junior Supervisor Payroll Application, such as first, Junior Manager Human Resource and Junior Supervisor Human Resources Application. Second, Junior Housekeeping Manager and Internal Protocol. Third, Junior Housekeeping Manager and External Protocol. And the fourth, Junior Manager Document. There are 4 fields of work at PT Kereta Api Indonesia di AOP1 Jakarta. Is a secretariat, record management, correspondence, and office automation. I carry out the field work practice for 4 weeks, starting on February 3, 2020, the date until February 28, 2020. Fieldwork activities are carried out Monday through Friday with working hours from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. The following is the work given to me during the fieldwork practice take place is: the first, make an ID card; the second, make a letter of application, street vendors; the third, input annual leave letters; and then make an certificate if you finish internship, and then make a letter complete the internship, and then arrange employee names in the alphabetical orders, and then arrange KRP in the file cabinet. Obstacles found in the Human Resources Unit PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero di AOP1 Jakarta. First, the lack of office facilities and infrastructure facilities is inadequate and not treated properly. How to overcome them by adding computers, printing machine, and maintaining copiers. 2. Arranging office equipment is the wrong way to overcome it by reorganizing office equipment preparation. 3. The condition of the application letter of or street vendors research that has been collected, how to deal with it by tidying each incoming letter in accordance with the file. 4. Receiving a lot of human resources for street vendors becomes difficult to give jobs to design how to overcome them by limiting human resources according to their needs. Conclusion. Fieldwork practice conducted at PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero di AOP1 Jakarta, which was carried from February 3, 2020 to February 28, 2020 in the Human Resource and General Division. Areas of work that I do, namely Secretariat, General Manager, Correspondency, and then Office Automation. Suggestion: for students must be able to think fast if at any time there are obstacles in his work, diligently developing interpersonal skills. For companies, company is expected to add infrastructure and facilities for practicant, so that practicant in carrying out their duties can train it effectively and efficiently. For universities, establish a good relationship with the company so that in the future, students can implement street vendors at the agency. So that's all is about my internship program. Sorry for my mistakes. Thank you for attention.